Discount calculation. The cost of a parcel is calculated by a company as follows. For weight up to 500 grams, cost rupees 1000. For weight greater than 500 grams and less than equal to 750 grams, cost rupees 1000 plus rupees 10 per gram on excess weight over 500 grams. For weight greater than 750 grams and less than equal to 1000 grams, cost rupees 3500 plus rupees 15 per gram on excess weight over 750 grams. For weight greater than 1000 grams, cost rupees 7250 plus rupees 20 per gram on excess weight over 1000 grams. Discount on the cost is given as follows. 1. For cash payment, 2.5%. 2. For debit card payment, 2.75%. 3. For online payment, 3.25%. Write a menu-driven program in Python to take the weight of the parcel in grams as input from the user and print the discount given in rupees and the discounted cost after deducting the discount in rupees. Python program for discount calculation. Python program for Fibonacci series. Python program for Armstrong numbers. Python program for bubble sort. Python program for selection sort. This graphic design is made using Python programming.